In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spatial audio in AirPods Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily turn on or off spatial audio for your AirPods Max. This will be easily done after you connect the AirPods Max to your iPhone. So make sure that they are in close proximity and they should automatically give you the option or the prompt to connect. Once you have them connected, what you have to do is open the control center and then choose the audio option. So swipe down from the top of your screen and then open the control center. Tap on the volume or the audio and you will be able to manage the AirPods Max. When you tap on the AirPods Max, right under the audio bar, if you look underneath the audio bar, you will be able to control the spatial audio. So you can change it between off, fixed, and then related to your head position. Choose any of these options and immediately upon choosing them, spatial audio will be enabled. As long as it is set to one of the two available options between fixed and according to your head position, you will be good to go. Just make sure that it is not set to off. If it isn't giving you the option to do it, you can also head over to the main settings of the AirPods Max. So through the settings app itself, tap on the option to manage the devices that you have connected. And in here, you will be able to control many things, including noise control. And then if you scroll down, spatial audio. You don't have to press any physical buttons as long as you use the control center or you go over to these settings to manage spatial audio. This is going to be the main way to do it, and if it isn't working, make sure that all of the necessary settings are enabled. So you might have to go into accessibility or make sure that the AirPods Max are properly connected to your Apple device. There shouldn't be any need for hard setups as long as you choose the spatial audio option from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on spatial audio AirPods Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.